Capricorns, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for the month of March 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading and I'll also use some oracle decks. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story. I'm also being called upon to use this deck of playing cards for additional messages. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March 2021, we have the Eight of Wands. It's quite likely that in this period you were communicating a great deal. Possibly some of you had also made travel plans or you were moving about. Incidentally, there were issues with respect to following rules and regulations. Perhaps somebody had told you to live within the boundaries or to follow the rules. Attention had also come your way with respect to the opposite sex. There may also have been work offers on account of your social networking skills as well. Because to overcome all the challenges that March is presenting for Capricorns is the Ten of Cups. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you're desiring contentment. You want to feel fulfilled as well in your relationships or on the professional front itself. You should promote yourself. There could be some worries on account of some issues. Possibly you may feel that your point of view is ignored or that someone is trying to intimidate you or put you down. Sometimes you'll also be overcome with nostalgia. To get that contentment, you need to promote yourself and you need to ink those deals. Influences this month is presenting for Capricorns is a Temperance card. Basically, there'll be delays which you have to deal with, but you need to be patient because there's always light at the end of the tunnel. Largely, you'll be able to get what you desire. All in all, you can take heart from the fact that you are able to achieve your ends. Sometimes you may also be a bit disturbed or perturbed on account of your family life or the home environment. Maybe in your relationships also, you should be a bit tactful. Also, Capricorns, I think you should be careful because knives are being sharpened behind your back. You're somebody who would have to deal with jealous colleagues or your jealous superior as well who thinks that you're very capable and competent but will not acknowledge the same. The first 10 days of March, we have the card Empress. You're coming across as someone who's quite rule-worthy. You're also somebody who's quite nurturing and who values your relationships. Largely, your personality or your allure is going to be at its peak in the first 10 days. You'll also form new friendships in this time. However, you should also guard against family foes because they may be out to sabotage your family's interests. Tension could also mount as an estranged person could want to re-enter your lives. Certainly, you regard this person as a schemer and you may not want him to be anywhere near your family. There could also be issues that could be rigged and this could create discord or disagreement amongst loved ones. On the other hand, professionally, it's going to be a very busy period. Maybe you could get an offer on account of your other talents, maybe as a side hustle or something which you regard as an extra source of income. Professionally, it's going to be a very busy period for you. Possibly you'll have those benefactors who will arrange everything for you. So that is why everything will fall in place. Paperwork is also going to increase, or maybe there could be some technical work that you're dealing with. There could be work offers, and this could be for something that you have never attempted. This could make you a bit tentative, but then I think Capricorns, you should take that chance. Those who are dealing with clients, I think you should negotiate. Maybe you will not be too happy with the wages on offer, or whatever is being offered with respect to your services. Essentially, you want a good payment. This is also the time when you will be receiving your dues or you'll also get an opportunity to pay up past loans. Nonetheless, I think when it comes to money matters, I think there could be some mistakes which you could make, so you need to cross-check before you go ahead. The next 10 days, we have the Eight of Pentacles. This is for 11th to 20th March. Quite likely in this period, you will be willing to polish your skills. Possibly you want to enhance your skill set. You see this lady, she is busy engrossed in her creative work. So creativity could also be something which could get you noticed. Many of you will also be dealing with paperwork. Maybe technical work also could be a possibility for many Capricorns. Ideally, this is a period when you have to bide your time and wait for the opportunities. Sometimes, your schedule could also go for a toss because a sudden client could make an appearance. You should also cooperate and collaborate with others. Incidentally, this is also the time when you may focus on decluttering your living space or your environment, or there could be some home improvements. Towards the final days, that is 21st to 31st March, we have the Strength card. Minor returns apart, this is a period which will bring you gains for sure. Again, surprises are definitely on the cards for you in this month. Possibly you may also get your past dues in this period. Personally also, I think you're coming across as someone who's very easy to talk to. Maybe you aren't forceful when it comes to giving advice. Rather, you're somebody who will listen patiently to the other person's point of view. Those who observe you feel that you always weigh the pros and cons before you move forward, while there are other people who are quite reckless. This is also the time to let go of people whom you no longer need in your life. While dealing with clients on the professional front, Capricorns, I think you will do away with those clients who are very stingy when it comes to payment. Maybe they could accuse you of being indifferent, but then you also know that nobody can take you for a ride. In these days, you will manage to complete a lot of work, though it could leave you stressed out. Sometimes I think it's best to collaborate or listen to the point of view of others. Maybe you will insist that your way is the right way. Delays are quite likely. Maybe you could also be hassled on account of poor internet connectivity or unavailability of equipment. But then you should realize that you need to be patient because we did have Temperance as your influence card. As a boss, you will ask your juniors to buck up. You may also be a bit perturbed because your senior colleagues may point out the mistakes of your juniors. Ideally, you desire perfection from your partner, and this could mean that you will give a piece of your mind to your juniors. Pressure could also mount on account of the administrator. He would want to increase the workload. For some Capricorns, I'm also picking up that there could be achievements or awards that are coming your way this month. You may also be dealing with government officials. I think they will help you out. Basically, you'll be surprised because they will go out of the way to assist you. With respect to your love life, I have the card, I can't ignore the signs I'm receiving any longer. Possibly you have stayed away from a romantic connection, or even this person you're dealing with may have overlooked the signs, but then he or she knows that there's some deep connection with you which he cannot ignore. Certainly, I think single Capricorns, you will be would. It is very flattering to get the attention of the opposite sex, but I think you will remain unresponsive if you are disinterested in people. Ideally also, you should not string anyone along in case you are disinterested, because you could end up leaving that person heartbroken. Incidentally, this month you may also find that younger members of the opposite sex are charmed by your looks and demeanor. They will go out of their way to oblige you. Maybe a former colleague or a former acquaintance could also renew his affections for you, but you are disinterested in the person. There could also be marriage proposals on matrimonial sites or on dating sites, but there could be some incompatibility, perhaps on account of the age difference or on account of religious factors. Those who are crushing on someone, I think you want to express your feelings. You instinctively feel that there's a connection with this person on the soul level. That is why we had this card, I can't ignore my feelings any further. However, in this time, you may find your confidant pouring water on your plans. That is why maybe you will abandon the idea of reconnecting with this person. Perhaps you can expect yourself to write a short message to the person on a later date. For you definitely believe that a union is on the cards, even if it's not going to happen today. Romancing Capricorns, you can expect harmony in your relationship. I think you will enjoy fruitful exchange with your partner. Perhaps the two of you will also be challenged by each other, and the witty repartee or the witty exchange that you have could leave you grinning from year to year. There will be those times when he could be busy on account of work, but when you do talk, then this person will carry on or continue with the conversation till the wee hours of the morning. Incidentally, there will be those times also when you may feel as though there's no point in carrying on with the romance because you desire commitment from the person. Those of you who are married, I think your partner is somebody who is going to acknowledge your abilities. Perhaps you're doing well at work, or even if there are problems at work, you seem to have the right solutions, and your person or your spouse is going to agree with what you have to say. Basically, your spouse is also someone who is going to be very supportive of you in your hour of need, and you will acknowledge the same. Some days you will be singing songs to each other, or maybe you will be listening to some romantic numbers as well. However, there will also be those days when your partner or your person could be quite crabby. Those of you in an unhappy situation with respect to your relationship, I think you would want your person to limit his interaction with the opposite sex. Maybe you're overreacting, but this is something which you want your person or your partner to take note of. In case you're in an unhappy relationship also, I think you should be mindful of the fact that your person wants everybody under his thumb, or he's a very dominating person and he doesn't listen to your point of view. Maybe he disregards you. Your spouse could also be quite suspicious. Times you may also feel that whatever you do is never going to be enough for him. But your spouse or your partner is also someone who recognizes the fact that he needs you, whatever differences or disagreements you may have. This month you may also cross paths with former lover, or the stars are aligned in such a way that old memories will surface in this month because of you coming across that person from your past. In case you are in an extramarital relationship, I think your confidant may bluntly tell you that if you expect this relationship to go the distance, then you're mistaken. Possibly he may also tell you that you're living in a fool's paradise. But you are someone who cannot ignore the feelings or the signs that you're receiving. The playing cards, we have the card 3 of spades. Capricorns, you should guard against ill health. It's going to be a very hectic period. Also picking up that there could be some distance or estrangement in a relationship as well that you're dealing with. Another card we have is the 10 of clubs. Obviously, there will be those periods when you feel a lot of pressure. Maybe you have a lot to deal with. This is why you may feel as though you are stressed out or overburdened on account of the responsibilities that you have to shoulder. Lastly, to wrap up this reading, I have the card leadership. Take charge of the situation. I think Capricorns, you have those skills to shine bright like a diamond. Maybe you're being called upon to take responsibility, or the onus is on you in this month. For some of you, maybe a leadership position could also fall in your lap. The responsibilities shape our personality and make us stronger human beings. I hope Capricorns, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.